Okay, here's a little parcel of small pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. I'll show the colours. Basically just practice material, potch and colour, something like that you could possibly cut a little pendant out of. Like I say, it's low, most of it's lower grade. That piece is rubbish, and I'll throw that out. Something like that. Need to grind the top of it off to see if the colour goes anywhere, although at this stage it's just potch. It's a pretty little piece. Nice soft material. Maybe grind that off there. End up with a little stone. Electric blue. I don't know whether if you grind this down you might get the blue coming right through, but it is very thin. Just a little electric green piece. Come off a larger stone by the looks. There's a very bright piece of matrix. Again, only very small. So I tried to make a pendant out of that. Interesting patterns, not a lot of fire. This looks like it's finished polished. Something like that, grind the top of it down. Another little bit of matrix there. Anyway, it's not very expensive. Good place to practice and start. Cheers.